Hi Pisces, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 12th of May to the 18th of May. The 19th of May. I'm going to look at this time period for you to understand what's coming to you in terms of your general life and in terms of your personal or professional life. I'm going to discuss all that and tell you all the energies that are coming through the cards that I have already taken out for you and I have clarified. So now we will look at them one by one and from their general positions and see what's happening. So in your environmental position, in your surroundings, in your close energies, I see the justice card. So the external justice means that a situation was probably imbalanced or you were finding yourself in a fix and maybe some kind of stuck energies, but now the keel the things are going to balance and you will be on an even keel. So this process is happening. This could be a dispute is getting resolved. This could be that your living or working situations were in some kind of disarray that is going to come back to balance. A karmic balance is happening in your life. It is bigger than you think. It is all about resetting to a stable energy that is happening. This could be a contract being won. This could be a legal situation being won. This could be a general life, family life coming back to balance, or work situation coming with a good contract or a proposal. So with the Six of Wands energy, you will be feeling victorious in the coming week. So the victory is happening over Five of Pentacles. So if you were feeling a sense of lack, if you were feeling ignored by the people around you, if you were feeling that you are not getting enough, if you were feeling that you are not getting success in work or your pursuits, you are going to see this victory and you are going to overcome your situation of imbalance or being stuck. And with the Ace of Pentacles, a proposal is coming towards you. This is highly convertible. This is hanging in the air. This is an initial situation of safety, security, offer, proposal, which is totally concrete and dependable. It is coming to you. It is very practical energy. It can convert and it will convert if you are in a positive mindset and you are not thinking negatively. So basically you got to be in the magician mode with the devil energy. So the devil energy is all about expectation and expectations not being met. The devil energy could be of toxicity in your close environment. Devil energy could be fear. Devil energy could be high ambition and not getting it. So basically with the magician energy you can defeat this toxicity, defeat this negativity or fear, and you can move on from these stuck situations or lowering situations to a better situation by expressing yourself well, by connecting with other people, by finding all and every cog in the wheel working in a well-oiled manner. So this is the magician. Magician is what you have thought of, what is above. It will come into fruition. So what is above will come below. So basically what you have thought will come to fruition and you are going to get things to a concrete form, and it is going to happen. Only problem is the devil. So work upon your fears, your negativity, or your dependability on others. With the Empress card, you are definitely moving towards abundance. You are definitely moving towards growth. You are definitely moving towards a period where there could be a lot of things uh, within you which can see expression or which can see growth in the coming weeks. So it is going to happen. So whatever you are desiring regarding your abundance, regarding your work, regarding your creativity, regarding having a baby and becoming a mother, that is going to happen for you. So very good energy of feeling good, feeling your life getting better, enjoying natural beauty, enjoying the feelings of being like an empress. So you are going to get there with the Six of Wands coming again. The High Priestess, this is your energy, Pisces, connected with the moon and the premonition or the intuition card. This tells us that inner feelings, inner guidance is going to take you towards your victories, and whatever you had within you, or your natural talents, your all along what you knew is going to come true. And with the Fool card, with the Tower, a disruption or a disarray was around you. Surprise changes happened in your life for the better, and now you are on the path. You are on the path of a leap of faith. Basically, you are taking a risk in your life to start all over again. So there could be a path opening up for you after a painful jerk or a painful upheaval in your life. So everything will turn out to be good. You will be able to achieve victory over your circumstances, and definitely some offer or some job offer, some career offers, some upgrades, some living situation working out for you, some love situation working out for you is going to happen. So you could be very anxious, very worried despite what all you have. Thank your stars that you have Nine of Pentacles. You have the self-sufficient energy, but you are worried with the Nine of Swords. So 9 and 9 is telling me that with the Nine of Wands, it is telling me three nines coming to you. This is telling us that the ending is near. The ending is near. So ending is of what? Ending is of feeling the lack. Ending is of feeling that I don't have enough, I am not yet there. That feeling is getting over with the Nine of Swords. It is definitely going away. The Trial and Error card, but with bravery and courage, you are not giving up. And ultimately, the Nine of Pentacles, that is all about winning your accolades over the years. Whatever you have done will be giving you a good result, and you will do it on the basis of your own merits. And with the Emperor and Three of Pentacles, a control over your life is arriving, your work, your economy is arriving, and the big boss or the big energies of an institution is going to reward you with recognition, and they are going to collaborate with you. They will understand your importance in this time period. So many of you are getting an initial opportunity of a job or a career enhancement in this time period. And in terms of your love situation or family situation, there is a victory in chaos. There is a new path being seen. In terms of love, if you were feeling that you are losing ground, or if you were feeling you are not able to achieve your person, you are not able to have a good relationship, that is going to come on track. That is going to come on track with the energy of the Chariot, and this Chariot energy is going to make you feel feel that you are struggling, or it can make you feel that you have to always be in the driver's seat, or you have to control this love or marriage situation. You will find yourself ultimately winning this, ultimately achieving your targets in love. The realization or the epiphany will happen in terms of your personal life. However, you keep worrying too much in this time period. Please don't worry so much, because anxiety brings, bad thoughts, and negativity can, play with your fate, or play with what can be realized. So it can create some kind of energy of downer in a situation where you are already winning. So with the Eight of Swords as your outcome, this is telling me that you are gripped in some kind of illogical self-doubt energy or fears or in future. But please don't be in this mindset. This is totally illusory, because there is a blindfold on the eyes of this woman. She is, in a kind of a cage of fear or self-doubt, where she is thinking this will happen, that will happen, this will not change. So this is all bad worry. This is all a little bit of fear. So this is going to be over, because what I am seeing is angels are asking you to leave with the Hangman energy. You can best do this. What you can do is become a bit inactive in a situation which you cannot help. What you can do in this time period is to become the observer with a different perspective. So you can do that. So the Pisces can do that. Pisces has lot of knowledge. It is governed by the Jupiter. So Jupiter has is your ruling planet, and that gives you the energy of this great a knowledgeable person who can think differently than others, who can think out of the box, who can think like this when they are in a reverse position. So basically the Hangman energy is your this is your advantage, Pisces, and you will be able to find that enlightenment in this time period. However, angels are also telling you to get yourself away from rumors, get yourself away from the din, the noise, people advising you. Take yourself out of that. Your introspective energy, your inertia of rest in this time period will help you to see things clearly, and to be much more stoic in a upheaval situation, because ultimately you will be winning this whole chaotic energy and conquering that. This will help you to move towards your 10 of Pentacles. You are already in your 9 of Pentacles. With the Empress energy, you are moving towards your long term growth, your family growth, your legacy wealth. You are moving towards that. Do not be afraid with the current situation. So now angels are saying stand your ground with the Mountain card, and you will be resolute in this time period. With the High Priest energy, you can always intend and create. So whatever you are intending with the Magician energy, you will be supported by the universe, and you will be able to create your reality. That is what, because you are a participant in this. And with the Protection Guardian, drop your shields. So drop your shields of fear, drop your defensive attitude in this time period. Take what is coming to you, and you will be protected by the universe. You will be protected, you will be shown the path, you will be able to manifest, you will be able to intend and create. Just stand your ground, change your perception if necessary. So this is your energy, Pisces, in this week. I hope you have liked this reading. If you have, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So just write to me through the email ID in the description box just below this video. Keep watching this space for other videos of Pisces or any other sign. I'll be posting soon, and you will be able to watch them. Bye bye.